Hello and welcome back to AE Farm Tech. In this video, I will be showing you how I transplanted my 4-foot tall Mandarin citrus tree from a 55-liter container into the ground. I will also share simple tips to help your citrus tree grow well after transplanting. This Mandarin tree has been in a 55-liter container for a long time and it has done well. But recently I noticed the roots were getting too tight. The soil was drying out quickly. So I decided it's time to move it into the ground where it can grow freely and produce more fruits. Before transplanting, I made sure to choose a good location. Citrus trees need plenty of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours every day. The spot must also have a good drainage, meaning water should not stay long after rain. I also avoided area with too much wind. As you can see in the video, the Mandarin tree has a lot of young and small citrus fruits on them. You can see this is a highly productive citrus tree. So this is one of the reasons I need to transplant the citrus tree to the ground so that it can spread out and grow very well. This will help the citrus tree to absorb more nutrients from the ground, which in return will make the fruit size very big and also will help the tree produce more citrus fruits all year round. A day before the transplant, I watered the tree in the pot to make it easier to remove. Then I dug a hole that was about twice the width of the root ball and a bit deeper. I mixed some compost and sand to improve the soil so the roots can easily grow and water can flow well. The hole I dug is wide and deep enough to contain the 55-liter container where the tree is planted on. Behind the scene, I removed the citrus mandarin tree from the 55-liter container before putting it right into the ground. If you want to remove the tree from the 55-liter container like I did, you have to gently tilt the container and tap the sides until the tree came out of the container. The roots were starting to go around in circles, so I used my hands to loosen them carefully. This helps the roots to grow outward in the ground. So I placed the tree in the center of the hole and made sure the top of the root ball stayed level with the ground. Then I filled the hole back with soil, pressing it gently to remove air pockets. Also, you should not cover the trunk with soil, only cover up to the level it has been in the pot. After planting, I watered the tree well to help settle the soil. Then I added mulch around the base to keep the moisture in and stop weed from growing. After I'm done covering this up with soil, I added organic manure. This is a mixture of farm animal droppings with decaying organic matter. So I added this manure to fertilize the soil. This is to help boost the growth of the tree and also give it enough nutrient to make the fruit size bigger and produce more healthy citrus fruits. And so guys, this is how I moved my Mandarin citrus tree from a container into the ground. It was simple and this tree is already looking stronger. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel AE Farm Tech for more fruit trees and gardening tips.